Hindi ko nakita. Gap pala yun.
Gap.
Ayos lang. Survive. Kabila naman yung masakit.
Masakit. Kabila.
Ang kabila.
Wala na.
Wait.
Kakahinga naman. Hinga malalim.
Yun, no?
Hinga malalim.
Yeah, yung pinaka nakakahiyang semplang ko dami nakatingin eh. Ayos ba? Yan ang importante ng helmet. Ken! Kaliwa! Ano to? Option to o ano?
Honey baby, meet me just one last time. Honey baby, talk to me one last time. It's hard leaving you this way, but the train's about to roll into the bay. Such a good time having you by my side. It was such good times, baby, with you by my side. When my work is done, we go back to having fun. Honey, baby, I've been on the road for so long. I'm begging you, please don't get me wrong. It's you. I'm in love with you. You got to know it ain't no me. Honey, baby,
Sarap naman dito.
I've been on the road for so long. Now, honey, baby, I'm begging you, please don't get me wrong. It's you I'm in love with. You got to know it ain't no me. Yeah. Come on, baby, please.
Sirap! Saan tayo? Atak? Asan na yung sa akin kanina?
BGI.
Yeah! What's up? Nandito na naman kami ni Ryan. Tsaka maraming crew ulit ngayon. Nasa Tarlac tayo. Shower out. Yan o, empty belts.
Para siya lang mag-drive.
Yan o. Let's go!
Yung kanan sir, mamaya doon sa kabila. Sa baba nito. Ano ka? Yung mga mabibilis yan. Sir, sunod na lang sa kanya. Yung mabibilis yan.
Di ba isa lang yung jump dito, di ba? Isa lang yung jump lang naman.
Mga mabibilis, gusto nyo mauna ha? Sige.
Di naman mabilis, ano lang. Average lang. Hindi natin pala nagre-record yung kanina. Ay, sayang. Yung monasteryo. So yung unang run namin is... Ano yung unang run natin? Kaliwa, kanan? Kanan yung kanina? Kaliwa. Kaliwang kamay. Ngayon, GFlow. Sabi sabihin maraming G out dito. Maraming higop. Okay, let's go. Game?
Kayo yun eh.
Okay, sir, tirahin mo na lang ulit mamaya. Para at least jump mo na.
Ah, sige. Uy, dito ko!
Mauna muna yung...
Dito ko!
Mauna muna, sir, yung drop. Ay, yung step down bago yung...
Yung gap.
Gap.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to my... Hindi, what's up, vlog? Welcome to my guys. Game?
Game?
G out. Uy, baliktad na pa. Uy, what ride?
Take a look straight in the mirror. Take a look at myself. Rub these weary eyes. I can just stay in my bed. Get dressed, take a white pill. Lace on my shoes, I'm good to go. But somehow it just keeps coming on, coming again. Take a walk across the big city, pick up the pace. Can't believe that this is over. I'm alone with wolves, howling at the moon. I'm alone with wolves, knowing I ain't coming back home.
Lapit na?
Rolling the dice,
Oh, bitin ako,
I'm
sorry.
all in or I'm out.
Yeah.
Take
Go, go.
a big step.
Ah.
I lose my grip
Ang hirap talaga first time. Hindi mo alam saan ka bubuluso o hindi.
city, pushers standing by, waiting for a local junkie to buy their supplies. Man, I just keep on moving. I ain't looking around. All good things come to an end. I'm a lonely wolf, howling at the moon. I'm a lonely wolf, woman, I ain't coming back home.
Ito na yan? Ano ba?
Can't feel nothing, baby. Don't wanna frazzle fade, yeah. I tossed it to the trash girl. I made up my mind. Yes, I did. Well, you know what I'm talking about, girl. Yeah!
Yung pala yung tinatawag na G-out.
I made up my mind. Yes, I did.
Kaya pala G-out eh.
I'm talking about love.
Kaliwa! Kaliwa! Sorry po. Digay-digay.
I'm a lonely wolf. I'm living out the road. I'm a lonely wolf. No woman, I ain't coming back home.
Actually, ang layo nila, pwede natin hintuan yung drop eh. Phew, kaya pala GFlow kasi puro G out. Steep yung landing, ibig sabihin?
Hindi naman ganun kasi.
Hindi naman ganun yung steep, okay. So, tirahin natin yung drop tsaka gap. Oh. Ito yung drop. Okay. Okay.
Kaya, tirahin mo lang.
Asan yung gap?
Nandun sa ilalim.
Nandun pa sa baba o yan yun?
Sa baba.
Sa baba
Hindi
pa.
mo makikita dyan. Pero
Okay.
malapit na. After ng tunnel na yan, makikita mo na yung jump.
Okay. Ito yung sinasabi yung dalawang puno.
Dapat dyan ka.
Sino magtotoo?
Ayan o kayo.
Bike!
Oy, right safe ha.
Pwede na dito.
Kailangan mabilis.
Okay. Okay. Diretso mo na sa gap. Woohoo! Oh, may isa pang tabletop. Science. Ang sarap oh.
Medyo ano eh, no? Magano dun eh.
Ang ganda. Oo, andun na yung speed natin eh. Hindi ko kita yung gap, sinundan na lang kita. Pero nung malapit na, nakita ko na. Pag doon galing sa taas, hindi mo kita yung receiver eh. Sino susundan ko? Tara, dito sa harapan. Malapit na daw to eh. May isang G out.
Actually, step up na siya, hindi na siya step up.
Ganyan?
Pero maganda siya, pwede pa rin naman siya.
Okay, sige. Ano ba? Kaliwa kanan?
Kanan ba yan? Kanan yan. Yung kanan, magkakanan kayo dyan.
Kanan. Tara pre, ikaw mauna. Sunsundan kita. Uy, drop! Sarap! Ay. So ngayon magro-roller coaster muna.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride
Coaster
on.
game.